Tired of sky-high labor costs? Worried your whole line will stop running once the skilled workers leave? Cut your reliance on veteran pros right here. Furuisi 3000 IIF Smart Pleating Machine features fully automatic pleat height adjustment. No experience needed. Anyone can run it easily. Intuitive control panel. Switch freely between Chinese, English, Turkish, and more languages for hassle-free global operation. Its real strength? Unlimited compatibility. Handle polyester, PP, PET, mesh materials, as well as sun-shading fabrics effortlessly. Tough built to last. Made of premium steel with reinforced frames. It cuts breakdown risks too. Safeguard your year-round production. Refined precision cams run smoothly, with low-noise sliding parts. Less power draw, plus drastically higher finished product yield. Stable, smart, efficient, durable. Furuisi 3000 IIF redefines pleating productivity with its all-round superior performance. Furuisi. Craft the beauty of pleating with intelligence.